Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to opt in to try experimental features on YouTube. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Then simply tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. After you tap on your profile, simply tap on the gear icon available in the top right corner. Then go to the try experimental new features option available there. Then here you will get to see you'll find a list of experimental features that YouTube is currently testing. Each feature will have a brief description explaining what it does, but for now here you can see I don't have any experimental features available on my YouTube, but if you have, then you will find a list over here. And that is it guys. By following these steps, you can opt in to try experimental features on YouTube and explore new functionality before it's rolled out to general public. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.